Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on the device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and then you'll find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle right over here. Now before you get rid of this, before you actually tap on it, you will want to hold it and this will take us to the settings where we can customize how it actually works. So number one, we have calls and messages. Calls, you can tap on it, allow calls from anyone, contacts only, shared contacts, which is favorites, and then from no one. Choose whichever one suits you. And also below that you have allow repeated callers. Now this is a good option for emergency case and it basically bypasses whatever you have set right here in terms that if no one can call you but someone does within a 15-minute period twice, so if they do that, they will actually be, or you will be notified that they're trying to call you, even though, for instance, the Do Not Disturb mode in normal circumstances wouldn't allow that. So like I said, this is a good option for emergency because people usually call multiple times within a really short period of time. Then going back, we have messages, almost the same options minus the repeated callers. So choose whichever one you want, and then see all exceptions. So you have additional exceptions for just sound tones and vibrations, stuff like that, so you can customize it further. And you also will have option to set a automatic one, so turn on automatically. You can select your schedule, so for instance you could create a work one by tapping right here, add time, name it whatever you want, and from here days of the week, that's Monday through Friday, start time, if it's work one, so 9 to 5. Oops, not this kind of 5. Like 5. And then you also have alarms can override end time. So if you want, you can set this up and so allow you to just sometimes, I don't know, add a alarm clock before it would normally end, and it will turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. And then behavior. Use default settings, so you can use the ones that we have set with like the calls and stuff like that, or you can just create a custom one specifically for this specific schedule right here. And once you're done, you can leave this. Automatically it becomes enabled, as you can see right here, by it being checked on. And also I believe it might be enabling, nope, so it will probably turn on. That's why it's 4 in the morning right now apparently, so the time isn't correct. But in normal circumstances it would turn on if the time would be correct. So in this case it still has almost a little bit more than 5 hours to go, or 4 hours, what am I saying? So yeah, once it reaches the time it will turn on automatically, and then after 5 it will turn off itself. And yeah, now we can still turn it on manually by simply tapping on it right here, and this will turn it on. And once you're done, you will need to also turn it off yourself. And that is how you would set it up and use the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.